was from base 81B. The task that you gave to me is to make a simple quiz game. So based on my watching YouTube, this is first is Def Run quiz, and you must scan your questions, and next you must enter your question there. My first question is, what is the capital of France? And then the option is A. Berlin, B. Madrid, C. Paris, D. Rome, and the answer is C. Like this question number 2. Which language is primarily used for Android development? Same as question number 1. The answer is B, which is Kotlin. And next, question number 3. Same as 1 and 2. Give the correct answer, which is letter A, Central Processing Unit. The question is, what does CPU stand for? So the answer is Central Processing Unit. And this is the code that to make it. So first is you need to enumerate the questions and print question I+1 and another question, and this, if answer is correct, magkuhan na siya ma'am. If answer is correct, magkuhan na sa hatag na siya score diretso. If else, if ang answer kay incorrect, magkuhan na siya ma'am, hearing i-correction, din kaniya mabutang the correct answer was nani ichira na to answer sa number 1, imong answer kay A, pero ang correct answer C. Din diri dayon sa if else, if incorrect sa ang iba niya, the correct answer was C, dili A, nana ma'am. Then next dayon, if humana ka, print your final score. Muna din i-print na din niya. Actually dili siya maran mambay kay inana ra code execution successful ra.